Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish, and you are joining me today to talk about the phrasal verb take up. Yeah, take up. We learned 3 definitions yesterday. Today we're going to learn 4 more definitions and meanings and uses. Come on. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. If you're returning, thank you. If you're new, welcome. I'm SL Rockfish. Let's get going. Take up. To shorten the length of clothing or curtains. You know, when you go to the tailor, you say, could you take up my pants about 2 inches? Got it? Take up. To continue to discuss an idea. We're going to take up your suggestion when we return. Take up arms. Take up arms, not these arms. I mean, how did we take these up? But to take up arms means to go to battle. We're going to go to battle. We're going to take up arms. Don't take up arms. Take up residence. Take up residence means you're going to move into a place and live there. Got it? Why are there so many meanings and uses for the phrasal verb take up? I don't know, but now you know 4 more and can read and understand this sentence. He is going to take up your idea after the tailor takes up his pants. What? Come on, English. Yeah, we're going to have to take up that discussion later. Peace, friends.